Alright guys, I hope you like what you just saw. That was the official MNM x Clean Culture collab. This parking lot was like pretty fucking full. And then this whole alleyway, which you'll see in the B-roll, was also really full of vendors, insanely modified show cars, stance cars. And then we brought people up into the ramp into this massive venue. But shout out to Clean Culture for collabing with us. We brought them out to Dallas and absolutely killed it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. It's your boy, Eli, MNM. Let's go.